But you need to have a hosting account. So a hosting account, this allows you to actually have your website, and with a hosting account, basically you get access to a server somewhere in the cloud. Initially, for a lot of people, it's what's called a shared server, which means there'll be other websites other than your own on there. However, depending on what stage your business is at, you may have a dedicated server. You know, if you're getting enough traffic and you can justify the expense, then you'll have a dedicated server, which means one computer, one server only has your website on it and you're not sharing it with anybody else. We recommend a hosting company called SiteGround. Now, there are many, many different hosting companies out there. There's loads and loads. Some of them are really, really inexpensive, really, really cheap. That old cliche in life, you get what you pay for. And I would suggest that one of the really key things with hosting is the quality of the technical support, because when you have problems, and believe me, you will have problems from time to time, you need somebody who's there that you can contact in a web chat or via a ticketing system who will promptly deal with your issue. Now, you don't want to be hanging around for days and days and days to solve a problem. If your website's not working, for example, you want to get it fixed quickly. So the quality of the tech support and the responsiveness is so important.